Now moving on for the applications, that is, till now the equation was directly given to us. The only thing we had to do was finding the value of the variable, finding the solution of the equation. But from now on, for the applications, the question will be given, we have to read it, understand it, and then make a equation from it. Okay, so let's see how it is done. Okay, so moving on to our applications, let's see the first question. Okay, I've taken this question from exercise 2.2 from the NCERT CBSE textbook, the question number 4 from it. Sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other by 15, find the numbers. Okay, so read the question twice. Again, sum of two numbers is 95. There are two numbers, their additions, that is sum is 95. If one exceeds the other by 15, that is, if out of the two numbers, one number is something and the other number is 15 plus of it. Okay, find the numbers. So it is said that we have two numbers, so their sum is equal to 95. One exceeds the other by 15. So suppose one number is x, the other is exceeds. Exceeds means it's a plus. Okay, exceeds the other by 15. So it is x plus 15 is equal to 95. So our first step is over, that is finding the equation from the question. Now let's solve it. So we have x plus 15 is equal to 95. Isn't it? So we'll keep the x terms over here and we'll take the 15, that is plus 15, from here to the other side. So plus 15 will become x plus x is equal to 95 minus 15 because the sign changes. So x plus x is equal to 95 minus 15 is 80. So what is x plus x? X plus x is 2x. So 2x is equal to 80. So x is equal to, see, this is 2 times x, right? So 2 times x will become, if taking it to the other side, it will become 80 divided by 2. So that is equal to 40. Okay, so one term x is equal to 40. So the other term is, it's find the numbers, it's not just x. Okay, so the other number also we have to find. So the other number is 40 plus 15. So that is equal to 55. So the numbers are 40 and 55. Moving on to another question. The question is, the perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meters. The length is 2 meters more than twice its breadth. What are its length and breadth? Okay, so read the question twice. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meters. Okay, so let's draw a rectangular box and see it. Okay, so this is the rectangular swimming pool, they said, and the length is 2 meters more than twice its breadth. Okay, read again. The length is 2 meters more than means 2 meters more means it's plus, twice means it's 2 times whatever. Okay, so let's see, we'll take, this is the breadth, so we'll take x as the breadth because the length is 2 meters more than twice its breadth. Okay, so if breadth is x, the length is 2 meters, that is, let's say 2 more than twice its breadth. So 2 meters more than twice its breadth is 2 times x. So this is how we interpret the question. Read the question again. The perimeter of rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. The length is 2 meter more. So 2 meter more means 2 plus. Twice its breadth means we are taking breadth as x. So twice its breadth, 2 plus 2 times x. Okay. Now moving on to solving this question, the perimeter. So what is the perimeter? Perimeter is the sum of all four sides of the rectangle. So we can write this equation as 2 times 2 plus 2x, that is length plus breadth, okay, is equal to 154. It's given in the question, 154 meters. Okay, So now solve this. 2 times 2 plus, we can make the x terms together. So 2x plus x is equal to 3x is equal to 154. Okay. Now we can take this is, see, this is 2 times, right? So 2 times. So we can take this 2 times to the other side as divided by. So 2 plus 3x is equal to 154 divided by 2. So solving it, it will be 2 times 7s are 14, carry 7. So 2 plus 77, this is 3x is equal to 77. Now keep the x term there itself and then take this, it's plus 2 because it's not any minus sign, it's plus 2. So you're taking this plus 2 to the other side as minus 2. So 3x is equal to 77 minus 2, that is equal to 75. Now the last step, that is we have 3 times x. So 3 times x, taking it to the other side as dividing. So x is equal to 75 divided by 3. That is equal to 3 2s are 6, 1 3, 25. Okay. We know x, that is breadth is equal to 25. We have to find its length also. So length is equal to 2 plus 2x, that is 2 plus 2 times 50, that is equal to 2 plus 25, I'm sorry. So it's 50, that is equal to 52 meters. This is 25 meters. We'll take another question, that is sum of 3 consecutive integers add up to 51. Find the integers. So what is this consecutive integers meaning? Consecutive means the next, that is 1, 2, 3 are 3 consecutive integers. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. That is the next, so on. That is 3 consecutive. The next to next numbers is called consecutive integers. Okay. So let's consider the first number to be x. Okay. So that is, imagine it is 3. Okay. So the next number can be written as 3 plus 1. Right. 4 can be written as 3 plus 1. So this can be written as x plus 1. Okay. And the next number, that is 3, 4, 5 can be written as 4 plus 1, right? So that is 4 is x plus 1. So 5 can be written as x plus 1 plus 1. That is, this is the before number. So again plus 1 with it. So we know, so it's said that sum of 3 consecutive integers add up to 51. So that is x plus 1 plus x plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 51. Now you can easily solve this. So there are 3 x terms, so it can be written as 3x plus 1, 2, 3. 3 is equal to 51. So solve it. So 3x is equal to, we are taking this plus 3 to the other side. So it can be written as 51 minus, because the sign changes, 3. So 3x is equal to 48. Now we are taking the 3 multiplied, that is 3 times to the other side. So it will become x is equal to 48 divided by 3. So that is equal to 16. Okay. So we got x is equal to 16. So x is equal to 16. So the next number is, then the 3 consecutive numbers are 16, 17 and 18. We have one more question from question number 7 from 2.2. The question is, sum of 3 consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. So consecutive multiples means 8, 16, 32, so on. The consecutive multiples of 8 will be, difference between them will be 8. So you can write the terms as x plus 8, and so this is the second term. So the third term will be x plus 8 plus 8. Okay. So that is the 3 terms, x plus 8 and x plus 8 plus 8, because they are multiples of 8. The question is given as multiples of 8. Okay. Moving on to another type of questions, that is the age questions. Okay. So we'll do this example and see how it is. The present age of Sahil's mother is 3 times the present age of Sahil. After 5 years, the ages will add to 66 years. Find their present ages. Okay. So to do this type, I'll show you how it can be done very easily. First, you can write Sahil here. It's as a column, and then mom, his mom, and then their present ages, and after 5 years according to the question. After 5 years. Okay. So it is said the present age of Sahil's mother is 3 times the present age of Sahil. Okay, 3 times, that is 3 multiplied. Okay, 3 times. So you have to understand the terms from the question itself. Okay, it's 3 times the present age of Sahil. So let's say Sahil is x times older, x years older now, present age. Okay, so his mom is 3 times the present age of Sahil. So that is 3 times x. Okay. After 5 years, their ages will add to 66 years. So after 5 years, let's see what their ages will be. So now you're 13 years old. That is, this year you're 13 years old. So after 5 years, how old will you be? It will be 13 plus 5, right? So 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 18. So that is 5 plus 5. So similarly, Sahil after 5 years will be x plus 5 years older, and his mom will also increase accordingly. So presently she is 3 times x times older. Okay, and after 5 years she'll be 3x plus 5 years older. So half of the question is completed now. Now there, after 5 years the ages will add to 66 years. So after 5 years means this one. Sahil is x plus 5 and mom is 3x plus 5. So their sums, that their ages sum, that is x plus 5 plus 3x plus 5 will be equal to 66. So that is the question. We have to find their present ages. So solving this, it will be 3x and x. So that will be 4x plus 5 and 5 is 10 is equal to 66. We will take this positive 10 to the other side. That will be 4x is equal to 66 minus 10 is equal to 56. So x is equal to, taking this times 4 times it is, to the other side, that will be 56 divided by 4. So that is equal to 4 ones are 4, balance 1, 14. 14 years old. Sahil is 14 years old. Okay. Presently he is 14 years old. So his mom is equal to 3 times 14. 3x. Okay. So 3 times 14 is equal to 3 ones are 3, 4. 42 years old. His mom is 42 years old. So solving age problems is very simple. All you have to is interpret the question correctly, make the columns according to whoever's names are given, and then write the present age, and then after 5 years or before 3 years. So if it was before 3 years, it will be x minus 3. Okay, because 3 years back again. So this will also become 3x minus 3 because it is before. If it is after, it will be plus, and if it is before, it will be minus. Moving on to more applications of linear equations in one variable. Okay, so this question is question number 15 from exercise 2.2. I have a total of rupees 300 in coins of denominations rupees 1, rupees 2 and rupees 5. The number of rupees 2 coins is 3 times the number of rupees 5 coins. The total number of coins is 160. How many coins of each denomination are with me? Okay, so read the question twice and understand each information from the question. So it is said that I have a total of rupees 300 in coins. So the total number of money with me is rupees 300. Okay, in coins of denominations rupees 1, rupees 2 and rupees 5. So in terms of rupees 1, rupees 2 and rupees 5 coins only. Okay, so 300 is made from these 3 coins only. And the number of rupees 2 coins is 3 times the number of rupees 5 coins. The total number of coins is 160. So 160 coins make up rupees 300. 160 coins make up 160 coins of these three denominations make up rupees 300. And it is said that number of rupees 2 coins is 3 times the number of rupees 5 coins. Before solving that question, let's see an example so that you can understand it better. Okay, suppose you have rupees 100 with you. Okay, rupees 100, and that rupees 100 is made up of let's say 5 rupees 5, rupees 10 and rupees 20. Okay, so we have to find how many rupees 5, how many rupees 10 and how many rupees 20 make up this rupees 100. We only have these three notes with us, so we have to find the number of notes that make up 100. Okay, so suppose we have 4 5 rupee notes, 2 10 rupee notes and 4 60, yeah, 3 20 rupee notes. Okay, so how to find rupees 100 from these? That's very simple. You have to multiply them, because 5 4s are 20, so you have 20 rupees from 5 rupee notes. 10 2s are again 20, so you have rupees 20 from 10 rupee notes, and you have 3 20 rupee notes, and that gives you 60 rupees from rupees 20. So what you have to do is, with the number of notes you have to multiply the denomination, that is rupees 5 or rupees 10 or rupees 20. We have to multiply to see how much rupees we have from these notes. You get the point? You have to multiply the number of notes with the amount to see how much rupees we get from that note. That is 4 5 rupee notes, so multiply it with 5 to get how much amount we get from that 5 rupee note, that is 20. 2 10 rupee notes, so 10 times 2 is 20, so we have 20 rupees from 10 rupee note, so on. Okay, I hope it is clear. We'll see the question now. So in this question, it is said that I have a total of rupees 300 in coins of denominations rupees 1, rupees 2 and rupees 5. The number of rupees 2 coins is 3 times the number of rupees 5 coins. Underline that. Number of 2 coins is 3 times the number of rupees 5 coins. Read it again and then understand what they are meaning. The information from that. The number of rupees 2 coins is 3 times the number of 5 coins. So it is said that rupees 2 is 3 times the number of 5 coins. So which term will you take as x? So which coins will you take it as x? The number of rupees 2 coins is 3 times the number of rupees 5 coins. So you will take the x term as number of rupees 5 coins is equal to x, because it is said that 2 times rupees 2 coins is 3 times the number of rupees 5 coins. So number of rupees 2 coins is equal to 3 times the number of rupees 5 coins. Main thing you have to do is, once you get the question paper, read the question 2 or 3 times, understand the information from the question, draw lines to highlight the information, read it again and again and interpret the variables from it. Now it is said that the total number of coins is 160. So we know the number of x, rupees 5 coins, that is x. Number of rupees 2 coins is 3x. Okay, but still we have one more denomination left, that is number of rupee 1 coins. No information is given about that. So we have this another information, that is the total number of coins is 160. So x plus 3x plus the number of rupee 1 coins give 160. Okay, that is x plus 3x plus the value of the one rupee coin, that is number of rupee coins gives you 160. So to find this, that is equal to 160 minus x plus 3x. Okay, so that is equal to 16 minus x plus 3x, that is 16 minus 4x. Did you understand that? We have been given the total number is 160. Okay, and we found out the number of rupees 5 coins is x, the number of rupees 2 coins is equal to 3x. So the number of rupee 1 coin will be 160. 160, that is the total number of coins, minus the sum of rupee 5 coins and rupees 2 coins. Okay. Now we have assigned values for the number of coins. Okay, number of rupees 5 coins, number of rupees 2 coins, and number of rupees 1 coins. Now we have to form a linear equation with these information. It is given that the total number of money, the amount of money I have is rupees 300. So let's make an equation with these information. How is it? As I said, the number of rupees 5 coins is x. So the amount we get from this x is how much? It will be 5 times x, that is 5 into x will give you the amount of money we get from rupees 5 coins. Okay, the number of rupees 2 coins is 3x. So the amount we get from these 3x will be 2 times 3x, that is 2 into the number of rupees 2 coins will give you the amount of money we get from rupees 2 coins. And now number of rupee 1 coin is 160 minus 4x. Okay, and the amount of money we get from it will be 1 time, that is only 1 rupee. So 1 into 160 minus 4x, and it is given the total amount of money I have is 300. So the total is equal to 300. So 5x plus 2 times 3x plus 1 into 160 minus 4x is equal to 300. Now solve this equation. So open the brackets. So 5x plus 2 3s are 6x plus 160 minus 4x, because it's 1, is equal to 300. So leave the x terms over here itself in the LHS and take this term, that is plus 160, to the other side. So when you take plus 160 to the other side, it will become, so let's add these x terms. 5x plus 6x is equal to 11x minus 4x is equal to 300 minus 160, because you take this plus, when you take it to the other side, it will become minus 160. Now 11x minus 4x is equal to 7x is equal to 300 minus 160 is 140. So x is equal to 140 divided by 7 is equal to 20. 7 2s are 14, balance 20. So we got x is equal to 20. That is rupees 5 coins is equal to 20. Okay, number of rupees 2 coins is equal to 3x is equal to 3 times 20. So that is equal to 60. And the last number of rupee 1 coin is 160 minus 4 times 20. So that is equal to 160 minus 80. So that is equal to 80. So the number of rupee 5 coin, that is x, is 20. Number of rupees 2 coins is 60, and number of rupee 1 coin is 80. So we have found all the coins. Moving on to another type of the question. So this is question number 4 from exercise 2.4. One of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. If you interchange the digits of this two-digit number and add the result to the original number, you get 88. So find the original number. So let's read the question again. It said one of the two digits of a two-digit number is 3 times the other digit. If you interchange the digits of this two-digit number and add the result to the original number, you get 88. Find the original number. So let's take an example to understand it. Suppose we have the number 25. This is just an example, okay? 25. So it is said that one of the two digits of a two-digit number, so this is the two-digit number, is 3 times. So if it's one term is taken as a variable, the other term is 3 times the first number. And if you interchange it, interchanging means 52, the 5 is in its ones place and 2 is in its tens place. So if you interchange it, it will become 52. That is 5 will go to the tens place and 2 will come to the ones place. This is the interchanging. Okay. Now how do we write this 25? We learned in our lower classes like second or third standard how we write 25. So how we write it? We write it as, so 2 is in its tens place and 5 is in the ones place. So we write 2 times 10 because it's in the tens place plus 1 time 5 because it's in the ones place. So that is 20 plus 5 is equal to 25. So this is applicable over here. This is what we're using over here to solve the question. So here in our question, it is given one of the 2 digits of a 2-digit number. So we have a 2-digit number. Let's say we have a 2-digit number and one of the 2 digits of a 2-digit number is 3 times the other digit. Suppose we'll take the ones digit as x. Okay. So the other term is 3 times the other digit. So the tens place is 3 times the other digit. Okay, so this is our number. If you interchange the digits of this 2-digit number, so interchanging means this will become, x will come to its tens place and the 3x will go to the, so it's tens place, hundreds place, ones place and tens place. So x will come from its ones place to the tens place and 3x will go from the tens place to the ones place. Okay. So if you interchange the digits of this 2-digit number and add the result to the original number, you get 88. So how do we form the equation? Like this. So the first equation will be, let's write it this one. So 3x times 10 because it's the tens place plus x times 1 because x is in the ones place plus, okay, now interchanged digits, x times 10 plus 3 times x into 1 because it's in the ones place. So see, we have 2 terms here, that is, one is the original number and one is the interchanged digits of the number, original number. Being confused by this long equation and all, you can do is first solve only this one and then this one and then add the results together. So we'll solve this one first. So it's 30x plus x and this one is 10x plus 3x. So this is 31x and this is 13x. Okay. So according to the question, add the result to the original number, you get 88. So we have to add them up, that is 31x plus 13x is equal to 88. So add, you will get 44x is equal to 88. So x is equal to 88 by 4, that is 2. The other digit will be 3 times x, that is 3 times 2, that is equal to 6. So the original number can be either 62 or 26. We don't know which is the original number because we have assumed the ones digit and the tens digit. So it can be either 62 or 26. Now moving on to question number 1 from exercise 2.5. Suppose this is the question we have got, x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. So the LHS side we have an x term and a whole term, and here RHS also we have an x term and a non-variable term. Okay, so what we have to do first is we'll take the x term to the one side and the non-variable terms, that is the whole terms, to the other side. So let's see how. We can write x by 2 here itself and take this plus x by 3 to this LHS side. So when plus x by 3 comes from RHS to LHS, that is across the equation, it will become minus x by 3. Okay, so is equal to, now we have a minus 1 by 5 here. So when you take it to the other side, okay, we have already 1 by 4 over there, so write it down. And then this minus 1 by 5, when it comes from LHS to the RHS, okay, it will become plus 1 by 5. So now we have got something like this. So what you can do, solve it further, we can find the LCM, that is, what's the LCM of 2 and 3? That is 6. So this is 3 times and this will be 2 times. And again similarly to the other side also we have 5 and 4. So the LCM is 20. So it's 5 and here 4. So write down the equation now. So it will be 3x minus 2x by 6 is equal to 5 plus 4 by 20. So that is equal to x by 6 is equal to 9 by 20. Now how to solve it further? We have to make it as a single x term, right? So we'll take 6 to the other side. So the divided by 6, when it is taken to the other side, it will become into 6. So x is equal to 9 by 20 times 6 into 6. Now solving it further, what will we get? 54 by 20. So if you divide it by 2 times table, you will get 27 by 10. So the answer is 27 by 10. Moving on to another type. This is question number 4 from exercise 2.6. Okay, we have been given 3y plus 4 by 2 minus 6y is equal to minus 2 by 5, all in fractions. So how to simplify it? We have to bring it in a simple form, that is an one line form. So how do we do it? We can take this 5 divided by 5 to this side, and we can take this divided by 2 minus 6y to the other side, this side. Okay, and then we can simplify it further and bring all the y terms to one side and all the non-variable terms to another side. So we'll proceed. We'll take 5 to this side, so it will become 5 times, because it is divided by. So if you take it to the other side, it will become 5 times 3y plus 4. So this is the place where most of the students make mistake. What they do is they take 5 to the other side, no problem for that, but they won't put the bracket. They'll just write 5 times 3y plus 4 and multiply only this term with 5 and leave out this term. Okay, I'll come to it now. Now we'll take this term divided by 2 minus 6y to this side. So it will become, don't forget to put the bracket, minus 6y. Now see, when multiplying, what they do is they'll take to the other side and write 15y, no problem for that, but they won't multiply the other term, the second term, with 5 because of this not doing it with the bracket. So don't forget that, don't do that mistake. When you're taking it to the other side, when you're taking this divided by 5 to this side, you have to multiply the whole term with it. It's not just the first term. You have to multiply the second term also with it. Okay, is equal to minus 4. So minus of minus, the sign changes, it will become plus and add it up. Multiply it. So that is 12y. Okay, so we have to keep in mind is that when you're taking it to the other side, multiply it with the whole terms, not just the first term, all the terms. Okay, now solve it further. That is, you can take the y terms to this side and the other terms to this side. So this is plus 12y. So it will become 15y minus, and you're taking it to this side, it will become minus 12y. So that is equal to minus 4, taking this plus 20 over here to the other side. So that will be minus 20. So solve it further. You have 3y is equal to minus 24. Minus and minus, you have to add it, but put the minus sign. So y is equal to minus 24 by 3, that is equal to minus 8. I hope this chapter is clear for you all. I have tried to include all types of questions in this video, but still if you have any other doubts or you want me to do any other questions, please drop a comment in the comment section, or you can even email me at helpfultutor19@gmail.com. It's found in the description box below. If you liked my video, please press the like button, and for more videos press the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so that you receive notifications. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.